Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are introducing the Replace Categories node of PolyAnalyst. This node is generally used in an analytical project during the data preparation phase or data post-processing phase. Let's see how this node works using a dataset containing car information. This dataset has two string columns. You can double-click or drag one or more columns to the right to set them as target columns. You can rename the new column derived from the original. And if you prefer to modify the original column without creating a new one, you can select the Drop Source option. Moving on to the next tab, the Values map. Here, you'll find a complete list of distinct values from the columns we selected, along with the support value for each, which indicates the number of records in which they appear. At the top, there are two general replacement approaches. By default, values are case-sensitive, but you can choose to convert them all to lowercase or uppercase. The second setting allows us to retain the values as they are or to keep only specific characters. For example, we have two values here, AMC Concord DI and DI6. If we select letters only, the digit in the second value will be removed, and these two will be merged into one value, increasing the support count. Other than that, for each value, the node offers three possible actions. 1. Replace the existing value by typing a new one in the output column. 2. Replace the existing value with an empty value by checking the box in the discard column. Note that discarding a value does not remove the entire record. 3. Add a new replacement rule for values that are not currently in the dataset but may appear in the future. Additionally, you can sort the list by whether values are discarded, by support count, or by the name of existing or new values. You can also export this value map and apply it to another project by importing it. And the result is a dataset with new values or new columns based on the replacements you've defined. Okay, that wraps up today's introduction to the Replace Categories node. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.